I've always been curious, and it's that curiosity that makes me innovate things. I've always wanted to meet the so-called machines. I want to talk to them. Such a drive made me want to interact more with equipment, and I took up electrical and computer engineering in Kansas.
Sam, how do we read this?
What and who? Why Max equipment? Technology is dynamic. It changes every time. So I'll require casuals. The love that I have for my work makes me want to jump out of bed every day and get a solution. We have 7 sites that should be done this week.
So sir, this link, we need to send a technician there.
As technological partners for Safaricom, we have seen the network grow from 2G to 4G. I'm happy and glad to be a part of the first team that was able to deploy 4G in Nairobi and in Mombasa. We always have our engineers at field to make sure that our clients get the best, most reliable service they can ever get. On the far end, there's another engineer in another site, so we'll be able to communicate using laser. So from there, we can be able to create a link from this site to the next hoping site. We have also made sure that networks in buildings are also observed in terms of standards. We usually do this for all the rooftop sites, and we keep the connection going. Basically, this is how height is done. As you can see, he has a harness. We need to narrow the gap and make sure that the young graduates that are coming from the university are competent enough to handle the new technology being deployed by Safaricom.
The network must be up 24/7. It must be the best quality so that Safaricom can expand. The company currently have about 250 employees. We are in 4 countries. We have been one of the integrators for Safaricom for the last 5 years. Safaricom is migrating from 4G to 5G. There will be a source for employment, and we'll be able to employ more people.
I've had this privilege of coming and telling you about an application I've made for you guys. I feel I'm home when I'm working for a network that always will embrace my innovations, and they'll always champion for what you believe in.
I'd like to be part of the development if you allow me.
Definitely. I was raised in a family where I could get answers to almost everything I used to ask about. So I've thought it wise to give back. And the challenges you'll want. I make sure that the next technology gurus have a place to rely on and find answers.
Bonga is an application that seeks to reduce the cases of gender-based violence.
I can't stop dreaming. I can't stop thinking of new things every single day. Those new things that are always happening, you'll always find them on the best network, that is Safaricom.